Hey guys, Brandon with Great Escapes RV Center here with another quick tip for safety. Once a month you should go through and do a couple of safety checks that will not take you long. First, go to all your smoke detectors and just push the button until it makes that really annoying beeping noise so that you know the battery's still good. Next, we'll check our fire extinguisher. Very simply, push the button down. If it pops back up, your fire extinguisher is still good. Lastly, we're going to go around to all of our emergency exit windows. I'm just going to open them up to make sure that they still open. What happens is, in the summer, the seal can get really hot and sticky, and they'll almost act as like a glue. And we want to make sure that if we need this window to open, it will open. This has been Brandon with Great Escapes with your quick tip for safety.